as we all know, we've been experiencing a lot more rainfall over the last 12 months than usual. In this instance here, the homeowner had called us explaining that he's been getting a lot of pooling in this area, which usually didn't happen. And that is due to a dwelling that has been built in the back. Now these things do change groundworks. So in this instance, we came and we assessed the situation of what we need to do to solve it. We fortunately were able to, locate this downpipe, which was very close by, meaning that the stormwater is also close by. So all we had to do was kind of excavate it, re-plumb into that, and put a new line in for this strip drain. Now in other situations where you can't, if you're not as fortunate having stormwater as close by, we would come out and assess, where we would need to come from, whether that is digging out more a footpath, whether it's ripping out concrete or decking. We will do what we have to do to get a line to where we need to put in our drains or pits and connect onto that. Another alternative here for the homeowner would have been to completely dig and excavate all the dirt here, install a large pit where you would connect into the stormwater that's like currently here. Then you would re-concrete the whole thing and get slope to the pit. So any further water that would come, it would make its way into the pit.